Welcome to the corporate podcast of Catholic Syrian Bank, one of the leading Kerala-based Indian private sector banks with 87 years of banking experience. The bank is developing the core banking product jointly with LaserSoft Infosystems Limited, a leading banking software developer. This core banking product will be implemented in all the 347 branches of the bank shortly. On 17th October 2007, the bank held a joint press conference and signed a service-level agreement with Wipro, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) and Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited (that's VSNL) for networking, connectivity and data center integration. Please listen to Mr. R Venkatraman, the Chairman and CEO of the Catholic Syrian Bank, to know more on this project.
The centralized banking solution, as we commonly call CBS, has been perceived by our bank for the last 1 year. We have tied up for the software applications through LaserSoft Infosystems Limited, an application service provider for this particular aspect. Today, we have tied up with Wipro Limited for the networking arrangement, BSNL Limited for providing lease lines to us, and BSNL Limited for the purpose of giving us the data center. We envisage to launch the first of its branches towards the end of December, and all the 347 branches will be connected through wide area network by 31st March 08. By this, all our customers, also the prospective customers, can transact their business in any of the 347 locations as of now, or the locations that we are going to open before 15th of January 08. Another 17 branches we are going to open before January 08. All the customers are given value addition because they can transact anywhere banking, which is commonly perceived even to a common man in India. We have an ambitious target of reaching more than 10,000 crores of business during the current year. Definitely, by this application of the value-added service to the customers, definitely more customers will be brought to our fold, and we will definitely achieve the objective of relationship year 2007. By the process of the centralized banking solution to the customers, about 30% of our customers hail from NRI segment. By this process, we can integrate all our branches through the remittance system into our mainstream, so that the NRIs can remit money from whatever be the locations in Middle East to their wards at the various locations in India through our wide area network. This is one of the very important additions of our service to the, especially to our NRI client, who will be definitely be given an SMS message through our mobile technology platform. Really a good boon to them. Total cost of the project as envisaged is around 40 crores. I hope that we will not overshoot this budget. I should thank all the people who have been with me on the board as well as on my management side, my senior executives, for having provided this landmark in the history of the bank, which has started in the year 1920, having an existence of more than 87 years of service. No doubt, the value-added service will be our motto, and we believe in good corporate governance, good value addition to the customers, and also above all, compliance to our standards set by the regulators.
That was Mr. Venkatraman, Chairman and CEO of Catholic Syrian Bank. Now we present to you Mr. K.S. Viswanathan, the Chief Executive of Indian Operations of Wipro Infotech. Mr. Viswanathan explains the role of Wipro in the networking operations for the bank.
Wipro Infotech is involved in the design of the architecture for Catholic Syrian Bank for the networking their operations, networking about 347 branches across the country. Wipro Infotech will be supplying the Cisco gear for providing network infrastructure with various branches. We also do the system integration of interconnecting of the Cisco gears with the service provider as well as the co-hosted servers at BSNL. The key role of Wipro is to provide cost-effective solution which will enhance the customers, Catholic Syrian Bank's ability to retain the customers and enhance the customer experiences of Catholic Syrian Bank. We have been involved in the design of this project, and we've been involved in the co-creation of the network architecture, and where we will be providing support services to all the 347 locations of the bank, both on-site and also through our GSMC center at Mysore. From remote infrastructure management services from Mysore, and wherever required, online support at the branches, together will create the value proposition for the customer.
That was Mr. Viswanathan, the Chief Executive of Indian Operations of Wipro Infotech. To know more about this new facilities and the project, you can send a mail to Mr. Joseph, Deputy General Manager, Information Technology at tbrjoseph@csb.co.in. I repeat, tbrjoseph@csb.co.in. You can also visit the bank's site at www.csb.co.in. This podcast is produced by Prime Point Foundation, and this is your pod jockey Veena signing off from the show. Take care and bye-bye.